Ever get annoyed when Google Gemini suddenly pops up every time you accidentally long press the home button on your phone? Yeah, it happens way too often. But don't worry, turning it off literally takes less than a minute, and I'll show you how right now. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Then scroll down and tap Display. After that, look for Navigation Bar and open it. Now, you should see an option called Assistant app. If it's turned on, that's exactly why Gemini keeps appearing every time you hold the home button. All you need to do is turn that option off. And that's it. Done. Now, when you accidentally press and hold the home button, Gemini won't randomly appear anymore. Your phone will finally stop interrupting you every 2 seconds. Super easy, right? So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your Samsung friends who are probably getting annoyed by this too. And trust me, once you turn this off, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner.